Bananas grows on trees. No? Banana grow on a tree. That's actually classified as a herb, not trees. So it grows on a tree, but it's actually classified as a herb. So banana plants are
Isn't
giant.
banana plants also like man-made? Bananas are man-made.
But bro, you say this about the other fruit as well, no?
Nah, but it's
Nah,
facts. Bananas
that's-
are man-made.
Bananas.
Bananas are not natural.
So now what about the other thing, the plant? So you're telling me a banana is man-made?
Yes.
Why does the banana made the man? How the man made the banana?
Why are you asking me? But I'm not a biochemist.
I'm gonna Google that.
Is it that people? Who's that?
I'm
Who's
gonna
that people?
ask ChatGPT, guys. Don't worry. You know, banana was my favorite fruit.
Yeah, not still your favorite fruit.
Pause. Nah, because when I tell people that they good question, short answer, yes. Bananas are, as we know them, are man-made. My life.
So you're eating
So-
man-made non, bruh.
And they're berries.
I knew that.
You kept.
Nah, DJ.
Nah, he kept- he
Nah, I
kept.
did. I did.
He kept. He knew
I
that
knew-
thing.
I knew that. Did you know? Okay, yeah. Okay, cool. Nah. There you have it, guys. If you didn't know, now you know.
I think we all knew.
Nah, I don't think. Because I never knew.
Nah, but you don't know a lot.
That's satisfying.
I don't know much either, but I knew that.